Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I wanted to show you another one of these Sanrio mystery boxes that I got from Temu. I have a real Temu addiction. If you can't stop shopping on Temu, let me know in the comment section below and let me know what you keep repeat buying. I just keep repeat buying these boxes and air fresheners for some reason, but I have an addiction. Anyway, this is another one of the little Sanrio mystery boxes. I purchase these boxes when they kind of are on the flash sale. They're usually about £3, £4 in between those prices because the price can fluctuate. And my last experience of this box was actually really good. I got 6 items inside, including a very good quality tote bag with My Melody, and it was totally adorable. This one's a little different. It sounds like they're, can you hear that? They're rolling things inside there. Anyway, I don't know. This one sounds completely different. These are little like post box size, so you're not getting something massive, but I love the box. The box is super adorable, and I do actually reuse these boxes for shipping. Anything that I get inside that I want to keep, I keep. Anything that I don't, I put it aside for the charity appeal for Christmas. But without wasting any more time, let's open this box. Oh my gosh, first impressions, pretty good. So I'm just going to pull out these. These are stickers. So you get 4 stickers in each row. These are super cute. Oh, that's a duplicate. Oh, that's a duplicate. And this one, a thank you sticker. Is this Pachaco? Let me know in the comment section if you guys think this is Pachaco. I don't know if I was supposed to get 4 of these. This kind of looks a bit odd. I probably was supposed to get 2. Not going to complain. These are always great to put in the little charity packs. They're adorable. So the 2 different kinds that I got are these ones. I don't know why I got a thank you sticker, but hey, I did. So I got 4 strips of stickers. I got lots of keychains in here, I think. This is what I think was jingle jangling inside the box. But let's have a look at what we got. So these little bells, I hate. I would normally take these off. And with this one, I probably will still take this off. We got a little ice cream, which is very cute and adorable. Who is this? We got Kuromi. And that's a really nice little Kuromi charm. And then we got this big Kuromi one. This is really pretty. I really like this because it's one of those fillable ones that moves. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does move. So it's got glitter inside, completely see-through, and it is totally cute and adorable. I mean, that is a great little item for the kids' charity box. This is actually really kind of blowing my mind because there is a lot of stuff in here. And I know that I paid under £4 for this, probably around £3.50, £3.60, something around those. But these little keychains, I bought keychains recently, and little Sanrio keychains, especially this type of keychain, are around £2, £2.99. So I think I'm already doing amazing. We got a little Kuromi hair tie, which is cute. I like these expandable ones because they don't get stuck in my hair, and you dunk them in hot water when they're all stretched out and they go back into shape. But this is too cute for, it's just too cute. Oh my god, this is a massive keychain. Okay, so now we have cinnamon roll again. Oh no, these are 2 things, sorry. We have the little bell, which I hate, and I probably will take these off before I put them into the charity pack. But again, we have a lovely little, looks like vanilla. Is this ube ice cream maybe? This one is a little vanilla ice cream. We have cinnamon roll, who is too cute for school, adorable. And then again, another one of these. This is actually upside. No, this is the right way up. Yeah, the right way up is here. A little cinnamon roll don't know if you can hear, all you can hear is the bell. Keychain that has glitter inside. This would have been nicer if it had liquid inside it, actually, so that when you moved it, it was fluid. But I still really, really like it. Again, another little keychain stack. What? This is a bracelet. What? We got a cinnamon roll bracelet. Again, these little stupid bells. I don't know if you guys like these. I hate them. I hate them on everything. I hate them on dog chains. I hate them on Christmas decorations. I hate them. This will definitely, I will get this off. But this is a gorgeous little bangle. It is stretchable. Let me see, does it fit me? And it's got chunky hands. Oh, this is actually so cute. And it does fit. I mean, it's not a kid's bracelet because it's way too big, but I'm going to probably put it in like a teenager pack. But it's got this gorgeous little cinnamon roll, which is super duper cute. I mean, these bangles are about £3. They are just fashion wear. They're not precious metal. But I mean, oh my gosh, so far so good. And there's still so much to go. Okay, guys, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We still have 11 more items in this, and they sell this, they advertise this as 4 to 6 items, and I've got tons. We'll count them all at the end, but oh my gosh. So this is another keychain. This is gorgeous. It's so iridescent. I think this is a mirror. It is, oh, you can't stop. Just stop. Oh my God, this is a mirror. Look at that. That is crazy. But this is my Melody. On both sides, both are the same. This one is more pastel, and it does have this protective covering on the back. I'm not going to take this off because I am not going to keep these. On the front, it is more iridescent, which is super duper cute. And again, inside a mirror. Oh my gosh, you have got to be kidding me. So in this, we got my Melody. We got Pom Pom Purin. Again, oh, yep, again, inside there is a mirror, not sure if I say that, but that is totally adorable, and it's a keychain. I'm loving it. We got Koromi. Look at her, super cute. Again, inside is the mirror. We got, I'm not going to know all these Sanrio characters. See this one. Is this Pachaco? Is this Pachaco? Let me know in the comment section, but cute. Inside again, mirror. I don't know. I'm kind of blown away by this box. This box has been, I bought 4 of these so far. This is my 3rd opening of this box. This is definitely my favorite. Even though I loved the My Melody tote bag, I got so much more stuff in this one. This one is beautiful Hello Kitty. Again, beautiful little keychain with a mirror inside, which is adorable. And then we got Cinnamon Roll. I actually did know all of them. That's very good. We got Cinnamon Roll. Look how cute. This side seems to be really pastel. And then we've got this side that has a little bit more color. And we have the mirror inside. I'm not worried about these being a little scratch because they all come with protective films. This side, the mirror and the back side all have little protective films. But oh my gosh, like how many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what I would have got inside this box. 6 items. But we're still going. Oh, we have a little Koromi bracelet, which is too cute for school. Really, really adorable. Multicolored, very stretchy, very nice. We have this random thing. This is random, completely random. I think they grabbed stuff and threw it in. I think this is part of something. It does not look like part of something that is inside my box. But still a cute little bunny, I think. And then we have 3 keychains. So we have 2 that are identical and this little one. I'm not sure who this is or what this is, but I really like this keychain. And I love these acrylics. I think they're really cute. Really, really nice. Again, it has a protective film over it that I will not take off, but this is what it looks like. And then we have two absolutely identical. Not mad at that. Not mad at that at all. And this one is this cinnamon roll dressed up? Let me know. I think it is. How cute. Again, you can see that there's a protective film on one side. This is what it looks like. Like, guys, oh my gosh, can you see my little stash right over here? I am blown away by this box. I initially, when I got this box, thought this box was, there's something broken inside. And they do advertise 4 to 6 items. 4 to 6 items. I think I got 6 in my last one. Although there was a tote in here. Same size box. You wouldn't think that the tote would be big, but it was a good medium sized tote. So I was really happy with that. In this one, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not counting that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I'm going to count all the stickers as 1, 15. All of this in my amazing little stash box. I am so buzzing. This has been one of the best boxes. So it has really surprised me, this surprise box. And I am going to keep every single solitary item and put it in with the charity packs because these are too cute not to do that with. Guys, let me know if you've bought one of these on Temu. And if you have, let me tell me what you got inside because every single box is different. Nothing, I think these are probably end of stock kind of items. I don't care about that. They're Sanrio. They are cute. They're adorable. And I got really spoiled with this mystery box. If I get another one and there's not as much stuff in it, I'm going to be super, super sad. But for now, I'm super, super happy. Yes, guys, let me know in the comment section if you've got one of these boxes, what you got inside yours. Would you be interested in buying this box? I mean, for £4, I've bought boxes off TikTok, boxes off eBay, mystery boxes off Shein. And this is the best value so far. So I'm super duper happy. Guys, let me know if you liked this video. And if you did, please smash that like button. It really does help my channel grow. And I am forever grateful for all of your support. If you guys are not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. Leave comments in the comment section. I will come back and reply just as soon as I can. And super duper happy. Thanks, guys. Take care. Stay safe. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.